Welcome, my name is Balazs and you're watching Tech Video, where I'm today showing you the brand new LG OLED 48-inch CX6, which is the latest generation of OLED TVs. It's not the biggest one, but it's the best with the fastest screen, beautiful picture and everything you can imagine you need in a TV, and even great sound here with the LG 48CX6. Let's do an unboxing and show you guys what's inside. Before we jump into the reviewing of the LG OLED, thank you for Vivify and of course LG for sending me this product for a few weeks and these cables to keep, to be able to of course connect my PS5 and Xbox Series X via HDMI 2.1, even if it's a little bit further away, like 9 feet or 10 feet or even longer, because they have nice cables for normal prices, so check them out, and also glowing USB cables and Razer Chroma compatible cables, so thank you very much for that. But this wasn't a paid review from neither of them, so let's just check out the TV with my honest opinion. So let's finally continue with the TV, the 48-inch OLED by LG. It looks amazing. Obviously it's an OLED, but now with the latest generation you have the possibility to even have a nicer, better picture and brighter picture during the day. In the first generations you had the problem that when the sun was shining the picture just wasn't bright enough, like with the backlit TVs. Obviously these are not backlit, but now the organic LEDs that are inside here, that's why it's called of course OLED, are even brighter, even better, and they don't have burn-in anymore. I'm not sure how LG did it, but they're supposedly not to have burn-in. Check out other YouTube channels where they're actually testing this. I'm actually believing them, but I haven't used it for months, only for 2 weeks. And obviously my favorite feature with LG is not only the magic remote with the nice little mouse that you can use to move around here in the WEBOS menu, but that it turns on pretty quickly. So if I turn it off, you see it, and I press it now, bam, takes about 10 seconds for the TV to turn on. Obviously it's in standby, like on Android and other TVs. It's also kind of the same speed, but here it only takes really just about 10 seconds if I actually hit the button right, or I didn't, I think, waited enough to let it turn off. So let me do it again. So let's press the button. Now I heard it, it's turning on. So 10 seconds is the max, and then you can start watching Netflix, do Amazon, and it wasn't even 10 seconds, it was like 6 seconds, and so on and so on. And then the signal in the back will actually also start to show you that there's no signal, and when I don't use the remote, the menu will also go away. Anyhow, so this is one of the best features for me, but also the second best feature after obviously beautiful picture with HDMI 2.1 and the possibility to use your next-gen consoles like the PS5 and the Xbox Series X in the best way, is that it has amazing sound. You wouldn't believe it if you use it like this with the regular stand that they have inside the box. You will get great sound with 40 watts, that's quite a lot, and 2.2 channel. And how do they do the bass and the subwoofer? Now that's pretty cool. Actually they have the speakers pointing to the bottom, and usually speakers have that, or TVs have that a lot, but here it points inside the base, and in the base they have channels which move the sound so that the whole bottom part, which is quite big and heavy, so the stand is actually a whole resonating body and gives out great bass and also great sound. So you don't even need a soundbar with this TV, only if you put it up on the wall with the VESA 200x300 solution that they have obviously in the back. And the back looks also really pretty. It's quite slim, quite amazing, but you have a lot of ports also on the back, like 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Yes, you heard right. HDMI 2.1 4 times with 120 Hz obviously. Then we have VRR, we have NVIDIA G-Sync, we have the AMD solution, the FreeSync, and so on and so on. Everything is inside, even Bluetooth, so you can use a Bluetooth headset. You can plug in a regular headset via cable also if you want to use that solution. And then obviously we have the beautiful picture with a really fast OS, the WebOS, which supports also Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. You can just tell your Google Assistant, for example, that I use at home, please turn on the TV, and then it not only turns on, but if you tell it to also open Netflix and continue watching, I don't know, Stranger Things, then it will open Netflix and also continue where you left it off. So that's quite cool. I'm here with the LG OLED 48-inch TV. What else do you need to know about it? Well, not too much, except for it's compatible with all the streaming services, not only with Netflix. We have Apple TV right away installed, then Prime Video also, and for example, if you live in the UK, the BBC iPlayer is also in there. You have 2 buttons on the remote for Amazon and Netflix actually dedicated. No YouTube button here, but obviously built in. That works also. And yeah, there's not much else to say except for no burn-in, really fast, 120 Hz possibility here for your latest consoles. I only tried the Xbox because that was the only thing I could actually try. I don't have a PS5 yet, didn't have the luck yet to get one somehow. But now I have to give back the TV anyway, so this was already it with the LG OLED 48-inch CX6LB. That's the full name of the TV. It's available for $1,000, and we go of course upwards if you want a bigger model. 48 inches is nice for my bedroom, but I would prefer 50. At least 55, but even 75 or 77 inches would be amazing. My biggest TV at home is 65 and it's getting too small for me. But you know guys, I have projectors and all kinds of other cool tech, so please subscribe down below. Please ask me any questions about the TV or about anything else you see on my channel, because I post quite a lot actually on TikTok, Instagram and other channels too, so please go there too. All the links are down below in the description, and I hope I see you guys around here on Tech Video again. My name is Balázs and have a good one.